So, there's only three options I could think of. One is yung you park outside every day for visibility. Number two is abalahin mo sila on the inconvenient time of the day to move their vehicles out of your driveway and make it more frequent para mas maramdaman nila. Number three is lumipat ka ng bahay where there's no people who's gonna drive you crazy like that. Diba? Oh, three strategy.
Meron na
Meron
tayong
pa ba?
tatlong approach.
Meron pa ba? If you want to execute a plan for them na stop parking in your garage, then sometimes you have to really take action kahit na nakaabala ka. Just for this time. Sabihin natin, you really want to get rid of that situation. Mag-alat ka isang buwan, araw-araw, balahin mo sila na tanggalin yung sasakyan nila. Just because, kunyari, pupunta ka somewhere, kahit hindi naman totoo.
Oo.
It's a polite way of saying na huwag kayong mag-park dito kasi abala kayo. Sure, abala sa'yo sa una. Pero if mapo-pull off mo yung ganung plan, benefits sa'yo in the long run since hindi na sila magpa-park doon. Diba?
Oo. In the
It's a
long
good
run,
strategy.
kasi araw-araw ka nang nandun. So, maisip nila, hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-park doon.
It's a good strategy. Sometimes you just have to give time to find solutions.
Give it time.
Kung hindi ka naman likely lilipat ng bahay, you're gonna be there in the long run. Wala na strategy. There's always a way.